Welcome to the Microsoft Publisher application course. In today's video, we will continue with formatting and managing text in a publication, and specifically we will be looking at the following topics: using Format Painter, changing the case of a text, and using superscript and subscript. So let us pull up one of our publications and we can show you how to do that. Now, Format Painter, this is located on Home menu, and on the clipboard here you see Format Painter. Now the Format Painter is used to transfer the format of one text to another text. So for example, this text has a certain set of formats. Now if you want to make another text look like this, you can also repeat the same steps. But assuming you don't know which steps were taken to make this in this way, you can just simply use the Format Painter tool to do that. And to do that, you select this text and you go to Home, click Format Painter one time. Now clicking it one time means you can only format one text or one word at a time. If I click it once, I see a paintbrush sign or icon, and I say which one do I want to format. Let's say I want to format PowerTech-Computers. I will go and click select and leave my mouse, and there you see. So I formatted the text in this text box to be the same as that. Now let me increase the text box. So this is how you use Format Painter, and that's how you can do more of it. So you can also select this. Let's make this red and let's make it 18, and let's style it this way. So assuming I want to apply the same formatting to another text, I will select it. And this time, if I want to apply it to a number of text, instead of one time, I can go to Format Painter and I will double click. So I double click is clicking twice, and now I can go to the first text and I can select this one. And you see that the painter is still on, so which means I can continue. I can go to this one and I can go to that one. So I keep doing it until I'm done, and when I'm ready to switch off the Format Painter function, I will go back to Format Painter and I will click on it. And that's how you can use the Format Painter tool. So the other topic which we want to look at is changing the case of a text. So to change the case of a text, you simply, casing of a text can be like in capital letters or uppercase, or in small letters or lower cases, and there are also some other types. So let's see which options we have in Publisher. So let's say I want to change this. I will select it and go to Home, and I can go to Font and go here, or I can also go to Change Case tab. If I click it down, I say, so we're now using the normal one for the selected text. I can go to all small caps. So small caps means the first letters of each word becomes a capital letter. So if I do that, which is not exactly what it means, it changes everything to capital letter but smaller. And if I go back, say all caps, which is a little bit bigger than small caps. Another way to do this is I select this one, I go to Home, Font, and I click this arrow down. And on the, let's say, effects, I can go to small caps or all caps. So let's use small caps and let's click OK or apply, and apply will show you how it looks like. And here you can click OK. So this is basically how you can use the capital letters or the change case in Publisher. Another thing we will do finally is to show you how to apply superscript and subscript. Now, what is superscript and subscript? Now, a superscript is like a number raised to a certain power, and a subscript is when you raise a certain number to a base. So let's say you type 105. And I'm going to type it again, 105. And we're going to practice with both. So if I want to say 10 to the power of 5, I will select the 5. So go to the 5 and select it. And I go to Home, and I go to Font. Here you see the superscript sign, which is x to the power of 2. So if I click it, I have now raised 10 to the power of 5. I can also do the same for subscript, but this time it will be a base. So I will select the 5. I go to Home menu, and on the font I will go to this one, which is the subscript, and you see what it looks like. So I can increase the view. You can see that clearly. So this is what it looks like. So this is a superscript and this is a subscript. Now the other way you can do it is by, let's type again 105, and let's select the 5, Home menu, font, click the arrow down, and here you can see under effect superscript or subscript. So you can choose one of them, and you can say apply, and you can see it there, you see, or you can say subscript, you can say apply, it goes to subscript. So, or you can just remove it. So let's keep it on superscript and apply, say OK. And that is how you can apply superscript and subscript. And with that, we come to the end of this particular video. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next video.